Hey guys, I'm with my cousin.
Hi.
This is Kelsey. We're having a
First time
sleepover.
being on a YouTube channel.
This is my cousin.
And
We
we are going to try these mamba sours.
Here.
It says they have long-lasting. It says long-lasting sour.
She has a lot of stuffed animals in there.
In my bag, yeah. We're having a sleepover.
And we're
going
going
to the rib fest
tomorrow.
Okay.
And I already know what we're gonna do.
This flavor is sour lemon.
So we're gonna try sour lemon first.
Yes. Wait, not yet. And then we have sour.
So first we're gonna try sour
Red.
lemon, guys.
This is sour lemon. It's upside down.
Sorry, guys. This is sour lemon.
And then this is sour raspberry.
Yeah.
And then the last flavor.
Of them all. There's only 3.
Oh, the choices that we would get would be strawberry, raspberry, lemon, and orange. And the last one is orange. So we are gonna try.
This is a raspberry, but
I already told them.
Okay, we're gonna.
Look at the. Okay.
So
All right, we're gonna try lemon first.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna try.
So
lemon.
I think I don't know how many packs are in this though. Like there's little squares. And if you guys have tried tell us. Holy cow! Look at all of those.
Look at guys.
Look at
if
all
you guys
that.
try this, come down below and tell.
So you can take. All right. Open up. So
if it's sour, we should put water up here. I'm so scared.
this is really.
What if it's sour? Guys, it could be sour or not. Just have a vote.
You can barely see. Okay. All right.
Do you think it's sour?
So this
or
is
not?
how they look. They're like yellowish,
With
but very
squares.
white. They're like.
Yeah, they're wrist
All right.
squares.
On the count of 3, we're gonna
1,
put them in
2,
our mouth and chew.
3.
3, 2, 1, go.
That's good. It's really good, guys.
Oh my god. Okay.
It is a good lemonade. Mixes lemonade.
It tastes like lemonade. It tastes like lemonade.
This is the wrapper, and it tastes like lemonade.
We have 4 left over. So we could use them to wash out if we have a bad flavor.
If they have a bad flavor, guys, that was just good.